Yes.
Hello.
Hello, Ahmed.
Hi, Doos. Have you done that?
Yes.
So both of you are done, right?
Yes.
Good, good. All right. And yes, last class we were discussing some interview-related questions in MySQL, right?
Right. Right.
Yes, we shall continue with that. And the thing is, mock interview you have to give, right?
Yes.
Right. Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Good, good. And this mock interview preparation and those frequently asked interview questions preparation should be an ongoing process for you, always.
Yeah.
Every day you need to refer to them for at least 1 hour.
Yes.
Oh, it's not there. Okay, right, right. SQL interview questions. Um, delete, truncate we have gone through. I believe you can see the screen, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Right. And when we get to joins, today's date, yes. Let me know something about joins. Hello.
Hello, Ahmed.
Yes, can you please tell me something about joins, whatever you know?
Um, about joins, about the foreign key and use of foreign keys and primary keys to join two tables, or there are two tables in a database.
My question is,
Hmm.
do you need that primary key and foreign key relationships for sure to join? Is that necessary?
Um, I I don't know.
Not necessary. Next. So when it is not necessary, then how can you build a join operation on table?
If we don't have the foreign key relationship,
Hmm. Okay, how can you make a join? And why do we first question, why do we go for join?
I think we go for join when we need there is a relationship between two tables in the database. When you
Uh,
want to
Prior to that, when
turn
we need when we need to pull the data from multiple tables, then you go for join.
to pull the data.
From multiple tables. Like
Okay.
in our employee table, which we have been referring, employee table has employee name, job designation, salary, right?
Right.
department table has department name, location, right, and department number.
Yes.
So if you want to display both the employees and the department they are working for, then you have to go for a joining on two tables. Got it? So when you are pulling data from multiple tables, then you go for joins. Okay?
Okay.
And there should be a common column. The common column. With the help of this common column, you are going to perform a join operation. Okay?
Okay.
And recommended to have primary key and foreign key. Recommended. So that you can avoid those abnormalities. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Have we gone through that, what is that, normalization, first normalization, second normalization, third normalization?
Yeah, I did, but it's been a while.
No, no. Did I discuss? Did I show you any
No.
document?
No.
Sure. Sure.
Sure.
Oh, you need to have knowledge on normalizations also. Okay. Let me finish this and we'll go for normalizations. Okay.
Okay.
Just remind me of that. Okay.
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 Yes. So there should be a common column. So department number being the common column for employee and department tables. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
when you go for types of giants, can you list out the types of giants?
Inner join,
Right.
left join, right join, and full join.
Right. 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 Any other giants?
That's the one I know.
Okay. Self join, cross join. Heard of this?
Mhm.
So these are the alternate names for inner join, plain join, natural join, equi join, all mean the same. Okay.
Okay.
Left join can also be called as left outer join, right?
Right.
So these can be mentioned in outer joins topic. Okay.
Okay.
And this inner join can also have a name, simple join. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
left join or left outer join means the same. Right join
Right.
or right outer join means the same. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then full join or full outer join means the same. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So and self join is a separate thing. So I'll just draw a line. So these are outer joins. And cross join. So you can begin with cross join actually. Right. Yes. So how do you write a join here? So select column list, right?
Name. Yes.
Right. Versus column list from table 1, right? Then
Yeah. Join
Join
table 2.
right,
on table one.
right, table 1 dot key
Name.
equals to table 2 dot key, right? That
Yeah.
is column name. Right, right, absolutely. Suppose I say this, comma this, without this. So what happens with this?
Select 41, table 2.
Here still there is a join, right? Table 1, table 2. And this is a valid join, right?
Yes.
This is actually a cross join. What happens is, suppose in table 1 there are m rows. The result would be m into n rows. I mean n rows are there in table 2. So the result would be m into n rows.
Okay.
The Cartesian product we say, right, in mathematics.
Mm-hmm.
So cross join can also be known as Cartesian join. Okay.
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 Cartesian join, there will not be a condition over there. It is just columns from table 1 comma table 2. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose if you want to put here, it should be something, it would be like this. Cross join. This is also valid. This is also valid. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'll copy this. This as well as this also valid for cross join.
Okay.
Then I'll show you one document. Yes, can you see an image here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just look here. The inner join, this one.
Yeah.
So inner join is nothing but the data that is shown as a result, the common data, that is, suppose department number column being common between employee and department tables. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So all those department numbers that are common between employee and department table would be the result, this red color portion. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here you can see left join. So from left join, what happens is, from the left side table, both matching department numbers as well as not matching department numbers are also displayed. Got it?
Got it.
In this right join. So from right table, the matching as well as, I mean to say this thing. This common part is matching, and the uncommon part, this B portion, is not matching. Okay.
Okay.
And you can see when you say right join, from right side table, all those department numbers are displayed. Got it?
Yes.
Left join, right join will give the same results. You can just interchange the tables by using only left join. You can just interchange the tables that are present to the left join, left side and right side.
Yeah.
Okay.
The result would be same.
Yes.
Right. And here left join, by making table B's second table's key as null. I mean to say, if there are nulls, those nulls you are displaying them. Okay. Then actual results are given by only from A's not matching. Got it?
Got it.
This also, where A's key is null. Here. Right join. And if you go to full outer join, you can see this full outer join. Here. Full outer join. Whereas full outer join with A key is null or B key is null. This one.
Okay.
So most of the times there will be questions from joins, particularly left join, right join, this self join. Okay.
Okay.
So this you just keep this table always in handy, so that you can get a proper picture about the data that is that would be the result after the join operation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll share this image with you. Okay.
All right.
And what about self join? Have you seen that self join?
No.
No. No. The thing is, let me show you that employee department tables which we are working on. Right. Right. Look here. Employee table and department table which we worked out. Right. This one. Department table. Let me take this employee table here. So the thing is, in my employee table, employee number, name, salary, commission, department number. These are the columns, right?
Right.
Here I'll add another column. The thing is, I say MGR. So MGR, and I'll give here null. Then 102, 100, 100, 102, 103, 105, 101. So if you observe over there, I have introduced a new column over there, which is manager number. Okay.
Okay.
What this manager number is? You can see here the employee number 100, whose name is AAA. His manager number is null. It means he does not have a manager, and his designation is actually president. Assume. Okay.
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 The superior employee in the employee organization. Okay.
Okay.
And if you see 101, who is BBB, the manager of 101 is 102. Nothing but CCC. Got it?
Got it.
Likewise, if you take 104, his manager is 102. Nothing but CCC, right?
Yeah.
So here 107's manager is 101. That is BBB. Got it?
Yeah.
Right. So in this scenario, if you want to display the employee and superior, got it?
Got it.
We would go for self join. So how do you write is? So I will write here for you. So how the query would be like select name, comma name, because one would be superior, one would be subordinate, right?
Yeah.
From table employee, right? Employee. So here we are joining the table with the copy of its own. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I say employee again. Got it? Employee joining with employee itself. So I say like this. That is alias name. Okay.
Yeah.
Alias name. Then I say on w dot emp number equals to m dot mgr number. Got it? If you see there, manager number mgr is nothing but employee number only, right?
Right.
Okay.
So you can perform like this. So the thing is here, there are two rules. To perform self joins, you need to follow two rules. One is you have to give alias names for sure. For tables, for sure. Okay.
Okay.
You are joining the copy of your copy of the same table.
Okay.
Just a minute, I am getting a call. Let me answer.
Okay.
Yes, I am back.
Okay.
So here you have one table, employee, and you are joining the other table. The other table is nothing but the copy of the employee table itself. Okay.
Okay.
So that's how you write a self join, and you can Google out for the exact query on this. Okay. Just
Okay.
Google out self join on employee table. Okay.
Okay.
Then what I was talking, right, left, right, and full outer join. When you say this full outer join in MySQL, we don't have that full outer join keywords. You can achieve that by using left join, union, right join. So this is another important question. Okay. In MySQL, you cannot write a full outer join directly.
Okay.
You can do it only through union of left join and right join. Okay?
Okay.
Fine then. And yes. And subqueries. Any idea about subqueries?
No idea.
No idea. Get idea. Yes, subqueries are nothing but nested queries, we say. Okay?
Okay.
And here you have two queries. Two queries. One is inner query. Second is outer query. Okay?
Okay.
So here it would be something like a select column list from table 1. From table I say table where column and condition or better say where operator. Then you can see here there is another query here. Select column list from table. So if you see here, there is a select class in this where condition, right?
Right.
So this is an inner query and the select column list is, this one is an outer query.
Okay.
And here sometimes this inner query can also be called a subquery itself. Okay.
Okay.
And on total, this completely both the queries together are known as nested queries or subqueries.
Okay.
So here what happens is the inner query gets executed first. It gives some result, and those results are consumed by the outer query then. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is the sequence of execution of queries in nested queries. Inner query gets executed, then followed by outer query. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
What can be this operator?
operator may be equals to, in, like,
Oh,
greater than, less than. Okay.
okay.
Then yes. Suppose, let me again go back to my employee table. So here, look here. I want to display information of all employees who are working in GGG's department. Got it? This is my intention. I want to display employees who are working in the employee GGG's department.
Yeah.
How can you do that? How can you do that? I'm not asking you the query. Just give me the solution. Don't write the query.
Okay.
I want to display employees information who are working in GGG's department. That's it. So how can you do that?
I think it's to do the select query where
Right, select query.
department name.
Sorry, come again, select query.
Where department name
department name.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about any department name.
Department name is GGG.
That is employee name, not department name, GGG. It's employee table, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Huh. All right, I'll tell you. So look here, GGG belongs to what department? 30, right?
Yeah.
And are there any employees who are working for the department 30? Yes, we have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
CCC, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now the thing is, so here, right. First you need to write a query, first query. The thing is, obtain the department number of GGG first, right? That is,
Yeah.
you'll get 30, right? You'll get 30, right? So how do you do
Yeah.
that? Do that? Select department number from
From
employee
example.
where name equals to, like you said, GGG, right? This is what you said, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
This will give 30, right?
Yes.
Now second query you will be writing select star from employee where department number equals to 30, right? That's it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So to answer this query, that is display employees who belongs to GGG's department, you are writing two queries over there. One
Yes.
is to obtain the GGG's department number, and then you are going to write a select operation using the department number, right?
Right.
Yes.
So these two queries can be clubbed into one. How? Like this. This 30 is now replaced with
Department.
this one.
Absolutely.
Got
Yeah.
it?
Definitely.
And this is subquery.
Yeah.
And if you execute, you will get that CCC and GGG, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. And here, when you get into nested queries, there are two types of queries in nested queries. They are single row subquery, multiple row subquery. Okay.
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 In single row subquery, what happens is, look here, I have outer query and inner query, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Inner query would result single row. If inner query is resulting single row, then our complete subquery is known as single row subquery. Okay.
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 And here, if you execute this one, how many rows will you get in this example?
2.
2 or 1? I am asking you to execute the selected inner query. Selected inner query.
You will get 1.
That is 30, right?
Yes.
So that's what your inner query. If it is getting single row as a result, then the total query becomes an example for single row subquery. Okay.
Okay.
During that case, when your inner query is giving single row as a result, the operator would be something like equals or not equals.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Now,
Got it.
my intention is to display So to display, okay. Let me take you to the table again. Okay. So one is GGG, and I would like to display employees who are working either GGG's department or EEE's department. Got it?
Got it.
It means either department number 10 or 30, right?
Yes.
It means the result would be
Yes.
CCC and AA also would be included along with the EE and GGG, right?
Right.
So for this, how do we write the SQL query? The thing is, I'm going to write an SQL query here. This is also an example for single row subquery. I'll write here a heading. Now we are doing with multiple row subquery. Okay.
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 So here department number where employee name is GGG or name equals to
A.
is that A? Okay. Check whether it is A or what. Right. Right. Department number 10, right?
Okay.
Yes, this one. This one.
Yeah.
Sorry. So this inner query, how many rows will it give now?
2.
Only what are they? 10 and 30, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now in that case, does this equals work?
No.
Then you have to go for in operator. So
Okay.
you know there is in operator, right?
Yes.
In not right, right. So this is an example for a multiple row subquery. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Means the inner query would result multiple rows, more than one row. Got it?
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Then the next topic is correlated subqueries. Have you heard of these correlated subqueries?
No.
No. Here the thing is, in subqueries there are inner query and outer query. It's clear for us. Inner query first gets executed, then based upon the results given by the inner query, outer query gets executed, right?
Yes. Right.
Whereas in outer correlated subquery, the outer query gets executed first.
Oh.
Then inner query gets executed. So that is the basic difference, okay?
Okay.
And
Oh.
there are many operators like any, some, exists, all, not exist. Have you seen such operators?
No.
No.
Mm.
Like suppose,
No.
and this any or some means the same, okay? Any or some
Okay.
has same results, and all is okay. So here the thing is, again I'll go back to, so select star from employee where salary any, I mean to say greater than or less than you can use. So any operator, some, all these operators, I mean to say, let me do like this. Right. these operators which are in rectangular brace, okay?
Okay.
Any, some, all. These operators we use in combination with relational operators, okay?
Yeah.
You cannot use them single operator, single any. You cannot use. You have to always associate with either equals, any, greater than, less than, greater than, equals to. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Right. That's the rule. And here I say, let me go back to salaries. Look there, salaries. Where salaries in 600, greater than 600, and I say greater than 600 and 500, okay?
Okay.
Observe that there are salaries 500, 200, it's 800, 600, 500, 200, 800, 600, right?
Right.
I'll put salaries greater than 500 and 600, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what would be the salary greater than 500 and 600? Obviously this 800 salary, right?
Right.
This as well as this, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Right. And if you observe, I'm doing that greater than 500, 600. Like this I can give, okay?
All right.
Yeah.
Where salary is greater than any. And obviously the result would be 800, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the thing is, if you come to a conclusion here, here there are two values. There may be n number of values over there, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you are using a combination of greater and any, particularly greater and any, then the result would be the employee's information whose salary is greater than the greatest value present in the list over there, right?
Oh,
Okay.
right.
Because 800 is obviously greater than the greatest value 600.
Yes.
Okay.
So even if you ignore comparing with 500, still our results will be similar, right?
Yeah.
Right.
That's what I am highlighting over there. When you
Oh,
use any with a greater than combination, then the result would be the greatest, I mean to say the salary that is greater than the greatest value present in the list, right?
Right.
right.
Likewise, any, or you can use some also over there, it's valid. The result would be same.
Okay.
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 And greater than any. All. I say all.
Yeah.
I'll copy this and put here all. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Observe that I want the employee's salary that is greater than all the salaries that are present in the list. Got it?
Got
Mm-hmm.
it.
In this case, when I am using greater than and all, the results would be greater than 500, 600, right? So the results would be 600 inside, right?
Yes.
800 also result, right? I mean to
Yeah.
say, I'll write the result. The results would be 600 because 600 is greater than 500, right?
Yes.
100. Yeah.
Definitely.
800 also, right?
Yeah.
Right.
For this, the result would be only 800, right?
100.
800.
Yeah.
And here 600, 800, and let us look into the table. Are there any salaries greater than 500? 800 we have, 800 we have, 600 we have. That's it.
Mm. Okay.
So here, this one, when you are using greater than and all, the results are nothing but the salary is greater than the lowest value present in the list, right?
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, the conclusion part, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes. And that is greater than any. And suppose if I say equals here, what would be the result?
The result would be
600.
500.
500
and 600.
right, absolutely, absolutely. And this exist is actually a Boolean kind of operator.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
will return either true or false. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here exist you can use same way here where condition where some column exists and the inner query. I mean to say this values I have given them directly the hard coded values.
Yeah.
There may be a select query also, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Right. So there may be a select query also here. So here this exist operator, assume in the braces there is a select query and with a where condition salary exist I use. Okay.
Yeah.
So what happens is actually exist. I'll copy this. Exists and here select query. Okay. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
So I just say exist. So exist will return a boolean true or false. Okay.
Yeah.
When it returns true and when it returns false is the select query whatever here it is. If it is resulting data, maybe a single row or multiple rows. Okay.
Yeah.
If it is giving data, then exist will return true.
Okay.
If select query here does not return data, then exist will return false.
Yeah.
Do's left for some reason.
Oh yeah,
Hello?
actually. Yes,
Yes.
I'm there.
Yes, do's arrived.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I lost the connection.
I observe.
Okay.
Yes. The thing is, right. So I was saying the where class salary exist keyword I used over there. Okay, exist.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
And there is a select query here. Okay.
Yeah.
So exist is a Boolean kind of operator which would return either true or false.
False.
When
Yes.
it returns true and when it returns false is the inner query here. If this is resulting 0 rows, then exist will return false.
Okay.
Suppose my select query is executing and it is giving results, maybe single row or n number of rows. Result it is giving.
Yes.
Then this exist will return true. Okay.
True. Okay.
So in this case, what happens is this is a correlated subquery. The thing is, in most of the correlated subqueries, you use exist operator. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever you see exist operator, you just think of sorry, what is that? Correlated subquery. Okay.
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 And in correlated subquery, what happens is first this query gets executed, outer query. Okay.
Yeah.
And then this query gets executed. I mean to say, suppose what I say is select star from employee. So what happens is select star from employee, if you say, assume in my employee table, how many rows are there? So 8 rows are there, right?
Yeah.
Right.
In my employee table, 8 rows are there. So what happens is with this, the 8 rows, 8 rows will result, but they are not displayed at a time. What happens internally is, in these 8 rows, the first row is taken. Okay, first row is taken. I mean to say, this row is taken. Okay.
Okay.
This row is taken and it checks for the results in the inner query. Are there data for the inner
Okay.
query? Okay. If yes, then the first row would be displayed in the result. Got it?
Okay.
Got it.
Got it.
Then it goes for second row. It goes for second row. Are there data in the inner query? I mean, are there results? If yes, it displays them, or else it will skip. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
So like this it works. And
Okay.
when you talk about correlated subquery, the thing is, in our inner query here, definitely you are going to refer to the table that is present in the outer query. This is the rule.
Okay.
The inner query would refer to the outer queries table for sure. Okay.
Okay.
When you see such a kind of thing also, that is, I'm giving you two hints. One hint is when you see exist operator in your subqueries, then think of correlated subqueries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second hint is when you see in the inner query a table that is referred here, employee. I mean to say, in my select query, there will be employee table over there. Got it?
Yeah. Got it.
It means you are referring to the outer queries table, right?
Right.
When you see such a thing, then think of correlated subqueries. These are the two hints.
Got it.
Okay.
Right. So that's about joins and subqueries. And the thing is, I'll share you the SQL joins related and subqueries related some query examples.
Okay.
I want you to execute those samples on your machine. I have given some hints. I mean, I have given you the broad knowledge that is enough to execute those samples.
Okay.
And after executing, check at the results also, observe the results. Then if you find any difficulty, please let me know, I'll help you out, because joins and subqueries are very important to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have that notepad, I'll share with you. I'll find that on my machine and I'll share with you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And if you want that MySQL material, if you want, I can share that material also with you.
It will be great.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that. It is actually Oracle material, but it is almost similar. You can, if you read, you can understand it easily. Okay.
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 Wherever if you find difficulty, just highlight it. I am here to help you out.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. And I was talking about, yes, sir. Along with this, there is another thing that is inline view. Inline view. I'll tell you this inline view when you are done with the joins and subquery related queries which I share with you. Because
Okay.
after the thing is, I have given you theoretical knowledge. I showed you the table, but I did not write exact queries here.
Yeah.
I want
Yes.
you to write those exact queries and observe the results.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then I'll talk about inline view, because which is very important to you. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And for now, I am closing my session. I am late to my office, and tomorrow we will meet in the regular time. That is my 5 a.m. IST, the regular time.
Okay.
Yeah.
And most probably we will jump into struts or the MVC framework with which is MVC. What is that? MVC module in Spring. Either that or this will go, and we will parallelly both the things. Okay.
Okay.
And for struts,
Okay.
you go through the struts video tutorial that are available in the same community on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'll tell you how many video tutorials you want to go through, because MVC framework is excellently explained in it.
Oh, okay.
I'm just showing you. Yeah.
What did you say?
I want you to go through video tutorials for Struts 2 framework on the same Java Brains community.
Yes.
Okay.
I want you to refer to namespace. I think it Struts 2 application. Yes, 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 yes. 8. Yes, I want you to refer to first 8 tutorials.
Okay.
For sure. Okay.
All right.
And whenever you find time and try to watch these tutorials as many times as you can.
All right.
All right, I'm expecting you to run these 8 tutorials and if possible work out on them if possible.
Okay.
Fine then, we will meet tomorrow. All right.
Okay.
All
Bye.
right.
Okay then, bye.
Bye bye.